Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to do this eye makeup look because to create this makeup look I'm testing a new product. New for me. I don't know it's new for it is new for you or not, but for me it's a new product. I never heard about this brand, and yeah, I stumbled upon it in Target. So yeah, if somebody knows about these products, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And yeah, let's get started. So we are talking about a Lily Loves brand. So the packaging looks like this. So I'm going to show you like few packaging. So it's cute. So look like this. And yeah, I have a eyeliner unpacked. So eyeliner and mascara look like this, and like now, sorry, my dog is, and like a primer and lip and cheek stick look like this, and we have few more things to try on. So some things are already unpacked because I tried on this side of the eye makeup. So if you wanna find out more about Lily Loves brand and how I did this eye makeup look, stay tuned. Let's get started. So I'm going to close you up a little bit. Perfect. And we can start with the eye makeup. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Look like this. So Lily Loves eyeshadow net. It's 9 grams eye palette. Just Peachy, the name of the palette. So this palette contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadow palette, and only one is matte color. So this color is matte, and all of these colors are shimmer. And it's really good palette, really good quality of the eyeshadows, and I didn't have like any fallout, even though I have like tiny bit fallout in the pans. But when you apply, like when you get rid of the excess powder and start blending into the eye, it's perfect, as you can see. So let's get started. I'm going to use this Morphe M330 brush. It's like small tapered blending brush, and I'm going to use this shade here, so only matte shade, excess, like dust off excess powder, and start applying the eyeshadow. So the pigment is really nice. It's a buildable eyeshadow, like blend seamlessly. There's no like crazy patches or anything like that. So I'm going like in this like half circle motion from the inner corner of the eye to the outer corner of the eye. Neo! Sorry guys. And blend a little bit with a finger. So I just tap on the edges of the eyeshadow. Sometimes this is the best blending tool for you. And yeah, I have like the brush that I apply the concealer. So I already have like leftovers of the concealer. So I'm going to just clean a little bit the edges and blend even more. So I didn't use more product, just that I have on brush. Perfect. I'm going to just tip of the brush coat with the eyeshadow and just deepen up a little bit in this area here, just in the crease. Perfect. So next color that I'm going to do is use this darkest shade in the color, and so I'm going to use Morphe E18. So it's like pencil brush, but not like with the like pointed part of the brush, just like rounded, like a blending brush. And I'm going to use that darkest shade, and I'm going to put that darkest shade in the crease, going a little bit up in this outer corner of the crease. Perfect. I'm using again the first brush that I used with a red color, and without no product on the brush, just blend those two colors together. To put just a little bit on the outer edge of the eye, this lighter shade, just to blend into this like orangey shade that we put first. Maybe just a little bit more this orange, because we blend it too much. Perfect. A little bit with the finger. Perfect. Amazing. So this palette is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you need like some warm palette, use that palette. Definitely is amazing. So now I'm going to use this like eyebrow pencil and this darker shade. And yeah, when I did brows, I use this shade. So I use this shade to do my eyebrows. And now I'm going to apply this shade like eyeliner. Nothing too crazy, just to create like that nice and sultry, like smoky effect. Blend upward, because I don't want to have a like a harsh line like as eyeliner. Just want to create like nice shadow behind the eyelashes. Perfect. And I'm going to put that, so I'm going to combine that shade and the red shade and apply underneath. And now using this brush that I use to apply the darkest shade, I'm going to use this lightest like peachy shade and blend into this brown color on the lower lash line. Perfect. Now I'm going to try this product. So this product is Lily Love's just a second, sorry guys. It's a liquid metal eyeshadow with wand. So the packaging looks like this. This is the eyeshadow and it's a rose gold color. So I try on this eyelid and it's not like good. So I'm going to apply it. I'm going to do the same basically, and I'm going to apply that as the eyeshadow base. So I'm going to put like small amount on the lid and blend with a finger. So you see it's disappeared. So I have some shine on my lid. Come on, come on. So I have some shine on my lid, but it's not like rose gold color. So what have I done? I used these two eyeshadows and apply with a finger over this metallic liquid eyeshadow and get like great results. So as a, look at that, as a eyeshadow primer, it's perfect, perfect. And when you apply with a finger, you don't need to blend much, or you don't need to blend anything. it look beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to reapply the dark shade because we just covered that with, not all, but still we cover with this liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to just reapply near the lashes. Perfect. Now I'm going to use this brow product. Okay, brow bond, colored brow gel, light ash is the color. So packaging look like this, the bottle or product look like this. So it's like a lip gloss or lipstick, like liquid lipstick bottle, but we have like spoolie inside. So I brush my brows with this. Color is good and it's not like too pigmented, and I like that in the brow product because I think if it's too pigmented it's going to change the color of the brow that you just did. So basically you can use just this for the brows, just to brush it without any previous like pencil or gel or whatever for the brows, and it's going to look like that, beautiful. And this one is already like set and keep the hair in place, so it's perfect product. I like it. So next thing I need to do is mascara. So this is the, just to find, where is, okay, this is the packaging of mascara. So you have like little loves and the blackout so falsy super curl mascara. So packaging is the same, but the packaging of the product is a little bit different. So it's a plastic applicator, it's like rubber or whatever, but it's not bad product. I usually use this kind of wand for the lower lashes, but I accomplished very good result with the upper lashes. Perfect. So I need false lashes now, and I'm not sure what eyelashes I use because I don't have the packaging, but I think it's like Lily Lashes. I think that's the name of the brand, but yeah, I'm not sure. And let's apply falsies. Perfect. And reapply mascara. Amazing. Mascara is really good. So I think basically I'm done. I used on my cheeks this stick foundation, stick lip and cheek multitasker, like a stick. So it's a Lily Coral name of the blush or lipstick. So I use for the like a blush, but I didn't use on all lips. Even though maybe I could try it, but I don't want to mess up with this. Or what I have. Let's give it a try. Like I'm going to use like this foundation, so I'm going to apply this. It's really nice as a lip gloss because it's a little bit shiny, and you put on the lips, and that's good because like your lips look like juicy and you're like, yeah, fresh. So it's really nice product again. And yeah, only thing that I didn't try, it's this Zero Shine Matte Finish Prime Time Mattifying Primer. And look like this. We're going to open it now, just to show you. So it's like a roll-on primer. Oh, not it's like a, or also like a stick. Oh, it smells bad, and it's like silky feeling when you apply it. So yeah, I thought it's a roll-on, but not. It's like a stick again. Oh my god, it smells so bad. But yeah, I didn't try that product. I'm going to try it. And the last product is the Blackout Just Ring It Tattoo Liner. It looks like this. And yeah, look like this. We can try it on a hand because I don't want to do eyeliner at the moment. So it looks like this. It's really dark black and it's matte finish. So yeah, it's really nice and sharp tip of the eyeliner. So I think it's going to be easy to apply. And that's it. We are done with this eye makeup look. We are done with this look. So I can, yeah. So this is it, guys. I hope you like it. I'm going to leave more information about this brand in the description of this video. So yeah, if you're interested to check it out, you can do that. And yeah, if anybody tried this before, please share your impression of these products and of this brand. And yeah, if you like this video, if you like me, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, and see you in the next one. Until then, bye.